going to Mexico. It's gonna be sick.
Welcome to Mexico City. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Don't make me run, baby. Situations haven't helped. Why's it always have to be? I'm on the run from being happy. When you win all the time, you accidentally cross the line.